Okay, now that we have the animation for idling, left and right. Okay, let's create the animations for attacking. Okay, so let's see. Laser drone. Okay, attack left, attack right. So let's create the animation first. Set 3 enemy 3 underscore attack or ATK left. Okay, and let's make sure that we save it in the right directory so that we can organize it better. Even though we have a lot of animations here, so we might need to make it more organized. Okay, but for now, let's focus on creating the animation for attacking for our laser drone. So as with the idling animation, we'll be dragging and dropping the frames here. Okay, so we have the same amount of animation frames from labeled from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course we'll go back to 3. Okay, and do 2. Okay, 1. And do 0. Okay, so let's see how the animation plays. So we could make it go faster. Let's try 95 frames per second. Okay, notice that the animation, or rather the attacking animation, consists of the center portion going from dark red to bright red and back to dark red again, to indicate that it is glowing red off and on. Okay, so something like this. Okay, we'll stick with 90 frames per second. Okay, so now we have 3 animations. Okay, let's create the next attacking animation for when it's attacking towards the right. So it should be called enemy 3 underscore attack right. So this time we'll be using the animation frames for attacking right. Yep, 90. so it's the same dragging and dropping of animation frames onto the animation timeline. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, 2, 1, and 0. So the reason why we are using the animation frames in reverse towards the end is so that because this animation loops, so when the animation timeline goes to here, it starts immediately right back from here. So this frame and this frame has to be the same for it to look not broken. Okay. Okay, so now we have the animations for attacking left and right. Okay, now let's create the animations for when our laser drone is stunned. Okay, stun left. So all enemies, or rather, all of the current existing enemies can be stunned. Okay, if you are using Rogue, as his special skill allows you to stun enemies, which is why we have to create animations for enemies when they are stunned. So 0, 1, 2. Okay, and 3. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, so it should be 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. So if we play it again now, okay, it looks to be totally unnatural, and that's because it's a robot, so it has to look artificial. Okay, so if we make it go faster with a higher frames per second, okay, so while this animation is playing, it will of course be moving left and right incoherently, or rather randomly, to indicate that it's stunned. And of course there will be a small little bird flying around its head. So all together, these few elements will add up to make up the stun animation. Okay, to start, okay, go to unity3d.com and download the Unity 5 game engine.